Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, ito po yung kanyang FB page. Don't forget to follow. Okay? So, sa mga naghahanap ng healer. So, si Kuya Dingsi, ang aming may re-refer. Okay? So, message nyo lang po siya sa kanya pong FB page. Ito po yung FB page niya ha. Ganyan po yung spell. Okay? Don't forget to follow rin. Okay? And syempre, pagdating naman sa ating mga Evil Eye items. Oo. And kay the Grand Turn necklace. So, unahin natin si Evil Eye. Evil Eye item. So, ito yung ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet available in red and black string. So, with initial po yan ha. Okay? Made to order po ito. Okay? So, kung ito ang inyong pipiliin. Okay? This is adjustable sa ilalim. Okay? And ito naman ang ating Evil Eye ring. This is non-tarnish. This is adjustable and hypoallergenic. Okay? So, yung isa naman nating Evil Eye bracelet. Okay. So, parehong unisex po ha, yung bracelet natin. Okay? So, ito naman is garterized. Okay? So, dito naman tayo kay Evil Eye necklace natin na madalas pang regalo. Oo. So, yan. Evil Eye necklace, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extenders dito. Okay? So, pwedeng pahabain at paikliin kung gugustuhin. O, diba? So, yan siya. Okay? Pagdating naman po sa Grand Turn necklace, message lang po kay admin. Okay? So, para malaman kung meron pa. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng sabihin natin parang, kung gusto nyo, no, sige, magpapagawa po ako. Ganyan. Kay admin na lang magsabi. Okay? Hindi na po ako magagawa ng, bultuha. No, 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 no. It's a no, no, no. Oo, kukunin ko lang yung talagang mga gustong magpagawa. Okay? Yung mga gusto talaga. Yung gusto talaga. Okay po? So, yeah. Oo, masyadong mahirap. Oo, pagdating kay granter. Okay. So, yeah. Message lang po kayo ha sa akin pong FB page para sa ibang detalye. Okay. So, let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong message for you? Okay. Sa pang shuffle. Air signs. Okay. So, the King of Wands. Ooh! The King of Pentacles in reverse. May magpapalit ng, sabihin nating, management. Yes, may magpapalit ng management. Meron ditong hindi magkakasundo pagdating sa business. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng magkaroon ng rumor. Okay, something. Nakakuha ko dito ng boss na merong rumor na kakalat, like sex fluidity, mga ganyan. Someone na pwedeng na-attract nga sa same gender. Okay? Yes. Wala namang doon. Pero yeah, magkakaroon ng rumor or bali-balita. Yeah. Okay? Meron din ditong hindi nagiging reliable. Yes. Some of you, there's commitments, no? Avoid nyo yung makompromiso. Okay? So, what else? The Tower in reversed. The Sun in reverse. Something is hidden. Meron ditong i-avoid para hindi, meron ditong iiwas. Meron ditong hindi papag-usapan. Ano ba to? May magtuturo para hindi siya yung ma-hot seat. Mga ganyan. Ano tong The Tower in reversed? Yeah. Okay, the Two of Wands in reverse. Parang isisisi, there's blaming energy here. Some of you, meron ditong biglaang, uuwi. Yeah, see? The Six of Swords in reverse. May biglaang uuwi. What else? Okay. Air signs. The Hermit in reversed. And the Knight of Wands. Meron ditong magkikita. Yeah. Meron dito magta-travel para makipagkita, para makipag-meet. Some of you, pwedeng kayo nitong LDR mo. May chance. Oo, may chance. Yes, matagal na kayong hindi nagsama maybe or hindi nagkita. So, may chance rito na magkikita. And I'm seeing here SEX na pwedeng mangyari. Okay. So, there. So, next is fire signs. So, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong message for you? Okay, fire signs. Okay, the Nine of Cups. Oh, wish fulfillment. May mga magbibigay ng regalo. May makakatanggap ng regalo. May makakatanggap ng surprise. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, the Justice. Oh! Anything, like, lalo na regarding legalizations. Kung ano yung wini-wish nyo, pwedeng mag-grant. Oh, yes. Pwedeng ibigay. Energy ng granted. Oh, si granter na naman ang naririnig ko rito. Pwedeng iba sa inyo is owner ng granter. Be responsible, owner, please. Okay. Be responsible, please. Hindi lahat po, is i-wish. Please, wag tayo maging abusado or abuso. Okay. Fire signs. The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. The Judgment in reversed. Okay, so parang iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng plano. Sabihin nating maayos na plano. Pwedeng na pag-isipan to. Pwedeng regarding sa pera. Okay, yeah, the Magician. Merong bubuksan, merong sisimulan. Okay, connection, transaction, pwede. Okay? Yeah, may paggagamitan ng pera or ilalaan yung pera sa mas maganda. Yan, yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay, fire signs. The Page of Cups in reversed. The Star in reversed. Someone's feeling hindi ma-express. Okay? Why? The Star in reverse, some of them, they're hopeless, agad-agad. Na hindi mo sila gusto. Sino tong Page of Cups in reversed? Some of you, ka-work mo. Yeah. Oh! Some of you, a past person's energy to. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you're in a connection already, pero someone is still maybe liking you, crushing on you, still, maybe. Yes, kaya andun yung parang hopeless, or maybe this person is in another connection, or meron nga silang kakonect ngayon, pero meron silang gusto. Okay. Enough. Okay, so sumakit ang likod ko. Okay. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, anong message for you? Water signs. Okay, yan. Para kita lahat. Anong meron for water signs? The High Priestess. May mga sisimulang aralin, may mga pag-aaralan, may mga sisimulan, may mga Something like, yeah, mga ganun. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Nandito yung sabihin nating magpaglalaanan ng pera. Okay, yeah, see. Days of Pentacles. I don't know if this is something like a class, extracurricular activities, mga ganyan. Okay. Yeah. Some of you, kailangan nyo to. Oo, para hindi maging boring. Yeah, yung buhay. Ma-engage, no? Sa ibang mga activities. Sa ibang activities. Yes. Huwag nyong sanayin yung sarili nyong stuck lang sa kung anong meron. Andyan lang sa bahay yung iba sa inyo. Wala nang ginawa kundi mag-scroll, manood. Wala nang nangyayari sa buhay. It's like a cycle. Matuto. Oo, parang hayaan mo yung sarili mong matuto. Bigyan mo ng karapatan yung sarili mong may matutunan pa. Like that. Okay, Justice in reversed. The Five of Swords. Okay, there's conflict here. Okay, there's conflict. Ano tong justice? No. Yeah. Ano tong justice in reversed? Okay. The Six of Swords in reverse. So, I think this is like, may mga babalikan. Okay? May audit akong nakukuha dito. Audit. Okay? Some of you, nakakita ko dito na parang mga mamadaliin. Sa pagmamadali, lalong mapapamali ang ginagawa. So, babalikan na naman. No? So, downtime yon if ever. Okay? Downtime. Yeah. May mga titingnan sa CCTV yung iba sa inyo. Meron ditong nakakuha ko dito ng pagnanakaw. I'm sorry. Nakakuha ko dito ng ganun. Okay? So, yes. Meron kayong mga babalikang mga place if ever. Pwedeng may mawawala. Parang ganyan. Misplace. Okay? So, what else for you, water signs? Yeah, the Five of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. There's drama. Na hindi ma-fix. Ano ito? Yung iba sa inyo hirap na hirap mag-ipon, or meron ditong earth sign na hirap mag-ipon. Or nahihirapan siya mag-ipon. Bakit? Ano to? Ano tong drama na to? Ano tong Five of Wands? The King of Wands. Someone na meron ding sariling kagustuhan kung bakit. Okay? Yeah. Hindi nyo to makakasundo, tong fire sign na to. There's an offer coming in. Okay? Pero na mayroong kasama or kaakibat na mas mabibigat ng responsibilidad para sa inyo. Okay? So, there. Next. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, ano bang message for you? Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. The Moon in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Someone is afraid or sad pagdating sa isang missed opportunity. Yeah. Meron ditong masasayangan or parang may panghihinayang akong nakukuha dito. Yeah. Someone wants a commitment or a relationship with you. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng earth sign. Pero nandun yung parang feeling nila hindi sila makakuha ng malinaw na sagot from you. They want an answer. And ang nakukuha ko, they want yes for an answer. Okay? Yeah. They doesn't want any kind of rejection or whatsoever. No. Yeah. The Justice. Libra. The Knight of Pentacles. Meron ditong unti-unting pagbabago. Sobrang bagal pero sabihin natin kahit mabagal may progress unti-unti. Okay? May mangyayaring pagbabago. May mga kasong tatakbo. Unti-unti. Yes. Ano tong Knight of Pentacles? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, there's progress. No, na pwedeng mangyari pagdating sa health. Unti-unti. Okay? Adjust sa healthy lifestyle. Oo. Healthy way. Oo. Parang yan ang nakukuha ko. Unti-unti, hindi mo kailangan biglain. Okay? Queen of Pentacles, this is health. Someone's health is improving. Okay? Yun lang sasabihin ko. Someone's health is improving. Meron ditong nanay na hindi naalis. Nanay or tatay, someone na talagang nandyan lagi for you. Gusto nila kasi na mapapabuti kayo. Parang ganyan. Okay, what else? The Sun in reversed. The Moon, the Sun, Justice sa gitna. This is balance. Lahat ng hindi magandang nangyayari sa ngayon, kung meron man, magiging maganda in the near future. Okay? Dahil mababalanse na. Yeah, the World in reverse. Ang dami rito, oo. Energy na sabihin nating hindi maganda sa ngayon. Pero ine-effortan kahit kaunti, may usad. Okay? The Nine of Cups is here. Energy ng happiness, contentment, nandyan rin yon. Okay? Wish fulfillment for some of you. Yeah. Ang daming humihigit sa inyo pababa. Ang daming naiinggit. See? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Kaya ganito, yung sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo, medyo maganit. Medyo maganit. No? Pero hindi hinahayaan na walang usad. Hanggat maaari, iuusad. Okay? Darating at darating yung oras na magiging smooth flowing na ang mga sitwasyon. Okay? So, nakita naman natin si Nine of Cups. Okay? So, and Justice is here. Ito yung balanse. Ito yung balanse. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? So, yeah. Andun pa rin siya. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Seven of Wands in reverse. Don't welcome negative energies. Okay? Just focus on something na gusto mong mangyari. Okay? So, yun. Oo. So, yeah. Yun lang ang ating reading for you all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.